Hello, this is Edgar with Joe's Gaming Electronics, and today we'll be showing you how to replace your headband cushion on your Bose QC35 1 or 2. And today we got a new product right here. This is a clip-on headband, so you no longer have to go through the trouble of taking off all panels, unsoldering everything to get to this to replace it. Now is a quicker and easier way, and it looks exactly the same with these new clip-on headbands. You can see they're clipped on pretty good right there. And the tools you'll be needing for this today are a pry tool, Phillips 2.0, and you could use scissors or wire cutters like this. And first we'll start with taking off these small inside clips that hold the headband cushion in place. And just a little note for everyone, when you take these off, keep them the same way you took them off, just to remember, because you need these teeth up and that go into the cushion. And I've noticed sometimes when I've done this repair, I forgot that. I was trying to put them up upside down, and until you figure out, it's just annoying. So keeping them facing the right way up makes it just a lot simpler in the end. Now we go to the other side. Get this out the way as well. And both these are the same. They're interchangeable. They can go on either left or right side. Don't matter. So you can keep them together. No need to just differentiate there. Now we want to get in here. This is where the pry tool comes in handy. And you want to spread it open like this. Make sure you don't get hold of the main wire once you're held like this. Go in there with the scissors and just send it through. As long as you don't get the main wire, which once you get it going, the main wire is covered by that plastic there, so it'll be hard to actually cut through the main wire. Get that off. Get that on. You want all this stuff off, every little bit. You want it all off, just like that, and toss this in the garbage. Now you're left with this, just the metal and the main wire. You can pull this stuff off, just makes it easier for the clip-ins to go in. They glue this stuff down pretty good too. There you go. You don't got to get it all off as long as there's nothing in between where the wire is. That's where the clip-ins go. Then you want to grab your bottom half. Yeah, make sure just the wire could go in between here. Then you can take that off, put the top one in. And you want it adjusted like this. The wire goes in between. So when you put the bottom one on, it clips in together. Oh, and that's the only difficult part about this, is holding it in place while you're putting it on without getting anything out of place. Boom. Once you get one side on, the rest should be easy enough to clip in like that. Then you can just double check, pull on it. See, like, you gotta actually pull on it for it to unclip. Then you want to adjust it so you can see these little divots right here and here. You want to adjust it to be in the middle so it's not too far on one side, too far on the other side. Like that. That is perfect. Divot, divot. Then we want to grab these, how we pick them up. Place that in the back, and they're like that. Place the top one top. Sometimes you might need the pry tool. If you get too far on one side, you'll see it sticks out. You can just push it in. But once you screw it in, perfectly fine. Just like that, one complete side, looks very flush, and you can see it's fully flush, nothing sticking out, and holding in very well. Do the same with this side. Make sure the teeth are up top. Place this in between like that. You see little divots for the screw holes. Then you grab the one from up top, push that one over it. See, a little likes to stick out here. That's when you come in with this guy. Push it in a little bit. That. Forgot these aren't magnetic. The only thing I know about Bose headphones, screws are never magnetic. Pry tool, push that aside. Like that. Now it's flush. This side now. Just like that, and boom, you have now replaced your Bose QC35 headband. I believe in under 10 minutes. I could be wrong. but compared to the old way where you gotta undo the whole, basically the whole pair of headphones and pull this through with the main wire and the plastics, it's way better alternative, a lot easier, and looks brand new. Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you guys love what we do, please support us. You guys can click on the links that we have on the end screen. You guys can buy our parts, sales, or service so we can continue to make great videos for you guys for many more years. Thank you.